Hi, Spiky here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ProxMox in your own home lab. Later, we will install 8 virtual machines, each with a different operating system. Let's go. First, we are going to make a bootable USB stick, so we can set up 3 machines in our home lab. For this tutorial, I have an old desktop, an old laptop, and an old MacBook I will install ProxMox on. For this, we are going to use a tool called Ventoy, which you can download from their website. If you navigate to their download section, you can click on the link to download a zip file. This will bring you to their GitHub release page, on which you will find the latest downloadable version. Once you've downloaded the zip file, extract its content and run the executable. This will bring up the Ventoy tool where you have to select your USB stick drive. Click Install and confirm with a yes to erase all data from your USB stick. After the bootable USB stick has been made, navigate to the ProxMox website and go to the download section. Download the latest version of their ISO image and save it to the USB stick. With this bootable USB stick, we can install ProxMox on any machine. For this tutorial, however, I'm going to show you how to do this in a virtual machine using Hyper-V. The installation steps should be the same for any machine. First, we are going to create a new virtual machine. Click Next, give your new virtual machine a name, and click Next again. Be sure to select Generation 1 for this machine, since we want to support a 32-bit operating system. Click Next and choose your default virtual switch. Click Next. Choose to install an operating system from your bootable USB stick. Click Next, then click Finish. Now we are going to adjust some settings so we don't create an automatic checkpoint. Connect to your virtual machine and start it up. After the installation has been finished, we are going to click on I agree in the setup wizard. We leave the default hard drive selected and click Next. Fill in your region and keyboard layout settings. Choose a root password and fill in your email address. Fill in your default gateway and DNS server and give your virtual machine an IP address. These values will be different for you because they all depend on your network setup at home. Finally, click Install. After the installation has been completed, don't reboot your virtual machine, but instead turn it off. First, we need to adjust some settings so this virtual machine will not reboot from your USB stick anymore. Turn your virtual machine back on and log in into ProxMox with the root password you've provided in the setup wizard. That's it. You are now able to navigate to the ProxMox dashboard from your browser by going to the provided IP address in the setup wizard, followed by port number 8006. In the next 8 videos, I'll show you how to install a couple of different operating systems. Thanks for watching. Spiky out.